Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use NameDrop on iPhone. First of all, I just want to quickly mention that this action can be performed either between two iPhones or an iPhone and an Apple Watch, and it works on iOS 17 or later, or if you are using an Apple Watch as a second device, watchOS 10 or later supports this feature. And in order for this feature to work properly, both devices have to have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled on them. And to make sure that this feature is active on your iPhone, navigate to General in Settings. In General, select AirDrop, and then in AirDrop, make sure that bringing devices together feature is toggled on. Now, to use this feature, make sure that both of your devices are unlocked, and so basically what you have to do is bring their tops together, just like this, and wait until they share their contact cards. Then you can choose to either share your contact or only receive the contact from another person by selecting the respective option on your screen. And that's how you use this feature. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.